The fact is, this is the best tablet that Samsung has ever made.
The specs more than speak for themselves and brings pretty much the best of what Samsung have to offer for their premium flagship Android tablet.
But the real magic behind the Tab S8 Ultra is with media consumption, because when you have a big screen like this that is as wide as this screen, it's a really nice experience.
It's OLED, and it's beautiful, fast, and fluid, and really is a true joy to use for really anything. Pretty much, this whole display is utilized perfectly with the software. This tablet has 4 speakers all around the perimeter, which do sound really good and get loud.
Now with this large screen, you get a lot of real estate, and it's great for multitasking with split screen, and you can have a few more functional windows than you normally would on a smaller device. And with Samsung DeX, there's just more real estate, right? There's just more stuff to have all your resizable windows and repositionable windows.
It's going to be great to help increase productivity when it comes to touch controls and of course the addition of S Pen support.
It is an amazing handwriting experience. It really is a massive creative canvas, and writing or drawing with the S Pen is great.
This mimics a pen to paper feel, and it's got great pressure sensitivity. It's just functionally, it's awesome. Like, it's straight up an awesome tablet.